Everyone, welcome back to the channeling series. And today I have a message from Mahalakshmi again. Now, this is a message for those folks who are probably going through some sort of tests in life, right? And the message for you is that whatever you're going through right now, this is happening because the tests are actually helping you shape your identity or transform your identity into the kind of person you want to become who has what you want in the future. And let me simplify it a little bit for all of you. Now, what that truly means is that let me first give you an example, okay, of maybe of an everyday life, all right? And then we'll kind of move into the energetics of it because even when I got this example, right, in my manifestation journey, I always thought of it being a little off putting. All right. And so I want to simplify it in a way so that, I can tell you how I got it. All right. Or how I understood it. Now, when you go to a gym, all right, what happens? First of all, you and you're supposed to lift weights, right? There is a time in the beginning when you're lifting very like the weight is quite low, right? Because you don't have the capacity. Like, for instance, for me, the rod that you pick up, I couldn't even lift it, at one point. Lift it meaning not lift it like this, like lift it even on the ground, like a little bit, I just couldn't. So I had to kind of build my strength to even take it from here and to even put it right on the that thing. And then came my capacity to actually pull it or push it, whatever, right? Pick it up to my full strength. And even now, I cannot really, pull it to an extent where I have a lot of weights, maybe just a few pounds, and that's all, right? So that's because my muscles are building, right? And I still have to take care of my diet and I have to take care of my, so many other aspects, right? Now, if I tell you to say go and pick up 50 pounds, 100 pounds today itself, right? Will you be able to do that? I mean, of course, if you've been doing it, if you've been building muscle, if you've been going to the gym, yes, probably. But for a person who's never been to the gym, for a person who doesn't take care of their diet, will they be able to do it? Probably not, right? And it's very easy for us to understand that, of course, first you need to build capacity in your body, first you need to build your strength, first you need to start eating healthy, because that'll help the body grow, build, all of that. Now, when I got this example, right, I understood the connection of this example with that manifestation example. Now, coming back to the manifestation example, a lot of us, right, say that when I get this money, I will be happy, right? Or when I get this manifestation, I'll be happy. Or when I have that, relationship, I'll be that's when I'll be sorted, right? A lot of us say that. Now, the message that Mahalakshmi has for all of you is that we need to first energetically be where we want to be in order for us to get that. So think of it as a password, right? For something that's coming in our direction and it needs to put a password in for it to enter our lives. In order for us to get that password, we need to be energetically there. It's in my head, I thought it was simpler, but I feel like it might be a little complicated. Now, what I mean is that if you want to manifest a beautiful relationship, right, where you want the person to love you, right, you need to start with loving yourself, right? And I know in relationships, it's still easier to understand because loving yourself, it's still a concept that people get, right? However, people ask me, if I want to get money, right, how can I start imagining that money to be with me? It's not about it is about imagining the money, but it's also about imagining the energy and the emotions you have with that money, right? For example, if that money will make you feel secure, if that money will make you feel happy, if that money will make you feel um, fearless, right? Then what is it today that you have in your life that is making you feel like that? Or if you've never felt that, you've probably seen other folks feel that way. Meditate on that. You've probably felt, secure sometime in your life. Meditate on that, right? And try and amplify that energy in your life more and more and more. And focus your attention on those things where those feelings get amplified. Then, then whatever you actually want will come in your life. So it is like you're building the muscle, like you're going to the gym and you're building your muscle to pull, to, lift those weights, right? Similarly, think of your manifestation of whatever you want in your life as those weights, and you can only lift those weights or you can only receive that in your life when you've built the muscle of that manifestation. And when I say building the muscle, it could be um, when you have a test in your life, whatever tests that you're going through in life right now. Yeah, like, why does this keep happening to me? Why do I keep having these troubles? Now, if you would be that person who has that money, who has that manifestation, how would you behave then in this problem, right? Maybe you're more confident, right? Maybe you have more resilience, right? Maybe you are more grounded, right? Those are things that any amount of money cannot bring. You have to work on it from within, isn't it? Whatever that energy is, whatever that feeling is, right? With anything and everything in the world, remember that no thing can make you feel that way, right? All of those feelings are within you, and somewhere they are getting ignited because you are giving yourself that permission that now I have this, so I can feel it. But those things are actually not the trigger point for these feelings to come in. These feelings are already within you. For many of you, it's probably dormant. For many of you, you're not actually exercising it, but it's all within. That feeling of security, that feeling of love, that feeling of appreciation, that feeling of joy, that feeling of worthiness. It's all within. A specific car or a specific bag or a specific relationship is truly not making you feel worthy. It's actually a pity if anything on the outside is making you feel worthy. I wouldn't say pity, but many of us live like that, right? Without understanding that those things are not making us feel worthy. Only we ourselves can make us feel worthy, right? And how do we feel worthy? By existing. And I know when I say this, a lot of you folks will not resonate with it. But we are worthy for the reason because we are born. We are worthy because we are born, right? And it's it's as simple as that. But we all know that that's not enough for many of us. And we keep collecting things or we keep wanting things to feel worthy. And sometimes a lot of things can also not make you feel worthy. And so that defeats that purpose, right? Of collecting things. I'm not saying this is not something to say that you do not get something to feel something, but it's actually to tell you that you feel something and then other things just come to you, right? And that feeling something is an internal job, right? And when internally those things get transformed and healed, right? And ignited, then actually everything on the outside is just a reflection, right? Because everything on the outside is a mirror of who you are inside. Yeah. So I know it got a little here and there all over, but I feel like the message for you today is that the power lies within, right? The power of transformation is also within. And all the feelings that you think are contingent upon a lot of things are actually not true. Or the power for you to actually magnify these emotions within lies with you. And the more you amplify these emotions within by focusing on them, you will actually end up opening up your avenues to manifest anything and everything in your life. So I hope this resonated with all of you. Do leave a comment if you have any questions, and I would be happy to answer. And I will be back tomorrow with another message. Till then, signing off, Anisha. That's from Zaria Healings.